Hey Zach, how you doing up there, bro?
Oh, I'm high as fuck.
Today we're making my car not sound shit because all the goodness that goes in a GT86 Boxer when you put UELs on it comes out in badness. Too much space and a lot of vibration from the UEL system makes the braps sound very bad.
So I'm in a shirt for an auto parts store, and the person behind the counter asked how my day was. They used to work in auto parts, and I said to them, the best question that I got asked today is, I need an air filter. I asked what sort of car, and they went, it's a yellow Hyundai. How the f is that meant to help me? No.
No, that's a bad
No.
idea.
It sounds so bad.
Also yes, but what was Zach's saying? Headers, overpipe, and back to the brakes off.
Because that looks like stock location actually, so we might get away with just pulling these off and just putting those headers on. More than ideal.
Has it been tuned for this exhaust?
Yes. So basically, two of these ports are going to be longer than the other two. So you'll hear, instead of hearing the motor in time, it takes longer for those certain two for that sound to travel, those gases to travel. And it does these, so that's what gives it that off sound like that. You can hear it independently moving, which gives it that boop, 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 boop kind of noise. But 86s just don't sound that great in UEL, unfortunately.
I'm not needing that. We just fucked around for so long. If I can get this out, you owe me a hand job. If I can get this out, you owe me a hand job.
I'm already putting the fucking thing in for you anyway.
If I can get this out, you owe me a hand job.
Alright. But it's a very small one. There's no wrist.
Lots of paper.
Very straight up and down. I'll probably only use 2 fingers. Because it'll be straight up too.
It's moving. And what Zachary was doing was causing it to crack.
Yeah, nice.
I'm not even going to make you come. That's how much you don't deserve that hand. That little bit of rasp up there. Once that new res goes in, it'll be fine. It won't sound like that at all. Well, everyone else going to World Time Attack can drive to Sydney without having to sit behind him and go, fuck my life. So I'd rather shit in my hands and clap than drive behind that guy.
Oh yeah, don't say that.
Man, fuck, that actually sounds so good. Before I used to be ashamed of hearing my car from the outside. Huh?
Did you get all the bolts back in that dash plate?
Yeah.
Something's dragging under the car, eh?
Equal lengths, because they flow the same, obviously equal length, is much better because you haven't got that velocity from air trying to fight against each other at different speeds. Rather, it all just flows in one, flows in unison. Power-wise, yeah, every performance car I know has tuned length.
Some UEL headers.
It'll be on an 8.6 stance page for sure. It'll be like, bro, unequal length headers, shiny stainless. It's like, I'll sell this.
It's gold.
Do you want your 8.6 to no longer have dirty manifolds with big shields? Look at this shiny pipe with these beautifully disgusting welds on it and this beautiful colour. This is actually a nice mahogany from like 1985.